a while. But we are back with Nameless Cat! Let's get into this, boys and ladies. If you are enjoying the video, throughout the video, made that mistake last time. Make sure to subscribe, because I'm really unsubscribable. Anyways, I'm pretty sure we're on level 6, so let's get going. This is probably going to be a really uncut, because, like, I don't really like editing videos. It's just big no. Alright. Yeet. Yeet. Okay. We can move by doing that. Who's this lady? Hello. Oh, it's a cute little kitten. Whether you like it or not, this is going to be the voice. Shut up. My name is Nora. What a big snowstorm, huh? It's difficult to travel. Man, I should have went to school. Well, too bad school is over. What a big snowstorm, huh? It's difficult to travel in this weather. Although this church has blocked out most of the snow, but if you're not careful, you could still get lost in there. Trapped by the deadly booby traps and monsters. But treasure hunting is worth any risk. Are you also seeking for the treasure? Wow, cool. So we're both adventurers. Let me know if you need anything. Okay. Wow. That's great. Well, I don't need anything, so I'm good. Hey, buddy, don't cut me. Oh, gosh. That was a mistake. Oh, God. Okay, I want to get back up here, please. Can I please get up there? Alright, I'm just gonna have to die. Oh, I spawned all the way back here. This is okay, I can speed run this. Alright. Yeet. Oh, God. Ah! Gosh! I'm trying to get this cat food. But, oh my, you know what? Screw the cat food. JK, I really want the cat food. Alright. Yes! I have succeeded. Get me through this, boy. What is it? I just got a little thingy. I can't jump over that. Alright. More traps. Oh, really? No doo-doo, bruh. Okay. Can I jump over that? No? Okay. Well, I guess why it says more traps. Get on there. Oh my! I am such a bot. Alright. Yeet. Oh my gosh. I really want to cut this out, but like, I'm doing the uncut stream. Oh my gosh. Cat food. You never know. There could be traps. How do I get up there? There's a little block right there. What do I do with that? Do I push it in? Okay. Hold up. Oh, I see it now. So you have to go down here. Let me through. Oh! There we go. Checkpoint. Oh! I didn't know it disappeared. What the heck? Alright, well. That's a big troll. Are you gonna disappear? Oh my gosh. It disappears where I'm standing. Hi! Hi! What should your voice be? Hi! I didn't think we would meet again soon. Did you know that canyon wasn't so dangerous? Okay, I don't care. I'm really bad at reading for some reason. Yeet, yeet, and yeet. Okay. Give me that. I am teleported. Alright. Get me over this. Yeet. Yeet. Oh god. This is easy. Okay. I have no idea where I'm going. Oh, what does this do? No, I don't want to watch your short video. No. Leave me alone. Alright, I have to push the little box. It's not even little. Why am I saying that? Oh, we are experiencing some major lag. Excuse me. Okay. Yeet. What is that? A dogie. A doji. A doge. You're just in time. Or you're just in time. I don't know. I'm trying to get a good sleep right now. Therefore, I need to say goodnight to you. We might see each other again soon, after all. At the same place, next time. Okay, Mr. Dogie. Dogie. Whatever your dumb old name is, boy. Ooh, cat food! Yes! Yeet. Oh my gosh. Alright, thank you. Okay. So I guess we're going this way. Jumpy-dee-doo. Okay. Oh! It's anime lady. What? Pace back and forth and attack whoever passes by. Rumor has it that a long time ago, they were once normal animals like us. You're an animal? Oh. But they lost their hope to keep on living. In the end, they slowly turned into this. Nothing? Dots? Okay. Same. Also, some also said that they were the ones who found the treasure. No matter what the truth is, it won't stop me from going forward. Okay, anime lady girl. Well, thank you guys so much for watching today. This is all I'm gonna do. Like and subscribe for more of this game. It's just so calming. I love the music. Do 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 do. Alright, well, peace out, y'all. And yeah, that's literally it. Go subscribe. Do something with your life, Jimmy.